In this video, we will be showing you our DPF cleaning process step by step. First, we start off with the initial inspection where we take note of the specs prior to the cleaning process. The inspection report will include details such as vacuum pressure differential specifications, also known as airflow levels, weight, any damage, and other relevant information. Our pneumatic cleaning machine removes material from a filter by using a specialized machine to blow compressed air through it in a reverse direction to remove the dirt, dust, soot, and other debris in the filter. Our unique aqueous cleaning step soaks the filter in a solution of water and other cleaning agents, which helps loosen and dissolve the buildup of soot and other particles to be flushed out of the filter, giving it a thorough clean. Prior to placing the filter into the thermal machine, we dry the filter as much as possible on our dryer. We then place the filter into our high-temperature oven, which converts the soot into ash, by gradually reaching higher temperatures for a 12-hour period to avoid damaging the filter. The remaining ash is blown off of the filter with our high-pressure pneumatic machine as the final touch. During the final inspection, the specs and findings are written down on the inspection report after the filter cleaning. This report includes the vacuum pressure differential specifications, or also known as the airflow level, whether or not the filter passed our quality control, the after weight, and any other relevant information. This is a great way to compare the results of a before and after filter cleaning. You can have your filter's laser engraved to be sure that the filters you receive are the ones that come from your equipment. We manage a large inventory where we stock gaskets, clamps, reman DPFs and new DPFs readily available for your convenience. We proudly aim to save you time and money by being your one-stop solution for everything DPF related.